Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to check booking codes on Melbet. The procedure will be very simple to do. Before continuing the video, I'll invite you to create a Melbet professional account where you come and click on registration, then come and click on by email, which will be the full inscription. Now you will come right up to your promo code where you will enter the promo code BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. Meaning if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. Continue the video. First, to check your booking code, normally, if you have put or placed your bet, for example, I can select matches. I will select this match. I will put, for example, win 2 by clicking on it now. Okay. Now, by selecting again another match, for example, I should take win 1. I click again on add to bet slip. Now, you are going to come here at the level of your bet slip. You can see the 2 matches that you have put. So, by putting down your amount of money and by placing your bet, you are going to come and click on the 3 points. By clicking on the 3 points just up at the right corner, you will now click on save bet slip. By clicking on save bet slip, you are going to copy the code that has been given to you. You can delete now the matches here, but it's not a problem. So when the match will be starting now, if you have forgotten something or before they will be starting, you will just come back to your bet slip here and click on load bet slip, so as to come out and paste the code and upload it again back. Now you can see back again your booking code, so that if, for example, you want to change the bet that you have put, you can change it. Or if you have already, the match has already started, you can again see how the match is also happening on your bet slip.